On our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, this week we have Code GPT. So continuing on our OpenAI stuff, this is probably one of many extensions now on VS Code that will let you type in to the prompt and have Code GPT come back. I think the thing I like the most is you could highlight code in your editor and click on explain, and it would then give you, human readable AI generated, what does this code do? So here on the share right now, you have somebody highlighting a Celsius to Fahrenheit. Maybe not the best example because I think the name was pretty great there, but then it will tell you how it does it over on the right. And I could see that being very nice coming into a new code base. Like, what in the world is this supposed to do? So again, probably one of many in the new AI assistants here in our code editors, but I thought we'd highlight that one this week.
Yeah, I feel like it seems like in the news all over the place, GPT is like everywhere. I've heard of some of the GPT stuff, like some of the chat GPT where it'll just write you text. But is it just me, or has this kind of been around for a while and I'm just now noticing it?
They're just getting a lot smarter, and so we're hearing about them more. So I think OpenAI, I think we're on 2.0 came out, and that's where like this huge flux came of OpenAI tools. But so yeah, it's gonna be
I've
interesting
seen there's
to see.
like graphic ones and image ones, and yeah, nice.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io